We are pleased to show you the 2016 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.